How to fix Outlook login problem on PC. If you're facing Outlook login issues on your PC, it could be very simple to fix it. The first thing is, instead of using the Outlook app, you could also try logging in from your browser by going to outlook.com. Check your internet connection if you're connected to a stable internet, and make sure you're not using any VPN or proxy settings in this case. Once you've made sure of those details, go to the sign in button based on whichever addresses you're using. And make sure to enter the email or phone number or your username quite well in this case and click on the next option. There will be various ways to sign into your Microsoft Outlook account, using your password, using the Authenticator app, using other details as such. If you forgot your password, you could try clicking the Forgot Your Password button to try and reset it as well. And once done, you can click on the next option to log into your Outlook account. That is all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.